Did you know you can make money from tea? In 2021, global tea market was worth $207 billion. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with tea and affiliate marketing. And also we are going to use this huge free traffic source, and not just that, but I'm going to show you how you can double your earnings. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. Now for this method, obviously you don't need to choose your niche because we are already in tea niche. But what you do need to do is you need to find products to promote. Now for that I'm going to use ClickBank. So I'm here on ClickBank Marketplace, and here in search bar I will simply type tea and then press enter, and here I can actually get tea products that I can promote. And here I can see teas that I can promote. For example, this one, let's say I wish to promote this one here, all day slimming tea. Here you can see I can earn $116 on average per sale. Gravity is 61, which is a decent gravity. And when I open their sales page and when I scroll here, you will see that they actually have 3 packages, and I will earn affiliate commission for each of these packages. And this actually looks like a good sales page, and I already told you many times that good sales page is really important. Now next thing you need to do, you actually need to build a bridge page. There are 2 reasons why you need to build the bridge page. Reason number 1 is because many of the companies and many websites do not allow direct affiliate links, and that is why you need to build a bridge page. Now the reason number 2 is because you wish to build your mailing list. Because in that way you can get a free traffic and you can promote other products as well. So for example, if they don't buy this tea, no problem, you can simply go back on ClickBank and you can advertise this tea to your mailing list. Or this one here, and they will buy one of these teas and you will earn an affiliate commission if they buy any of these teas. And like I said, when you have your mailing list, you can get a free traffic and you can advertise all of these teas every day to your mailing list, and if they buy, you will earn an affiliate commission. And that is why you need to make your bridge page and you need to collect emails. Now I already made a bridge page, and this is how it looks. As you can see, this is a clean and simple bridge page. There is nothing to draw their attention from main thing, and that is to submit their email here. And when they submit their email, they will be automatically added to my mailing list, and also they will be automatically redirected to the sales page of this product. And if they buy this product, I will earn an affiliate commission. If don't, no problem. I will simply send them, for example, this tea here, and they will buy one of these teas and I will earn an affiliate commission. And now we need to start driving traffic to your bridge page. And let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. When you go on SimilarWeb, you will see that last month this website got 33 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that about 60% of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries. And actually, you can publish your articles on this website and make money from your subscribers. And you can write about anything and everything. And when you scroll here, you will see that this person here is charging $6 per month per subscriber, $5, $5, $7, $7, and like I said, you can write about anything and everything. And actually, when you scroll here, you can find the calculator. So for example, let's just say I have 50 subscribers and I'm charging $5 per subscriber. I can earn $203 per month. And if I get, let's say, for example, 400 subscribers, I can earn $1,600. And if I, for example, charge $7, I can earn $2,300 every month for 400 subscribers. So first thing you need to do, you actually need to join to this website. So just click here in upper right corner on start writing. And then you can click here connect with Twitter. And then click here authorize app. And here you need to add your name. Now if you have trouble with coming up with name, you can simply go on Google and here you can type business name generator, and you can click on one of these websites. Let's say, for example, this first one here. And because we are talking about tea, so I simply type here tea and then click search, and here you can get tea ideas, name ideas for your name. So for example, I just choose one of these, for example, wholesome tea. So I will just copy this, Control C, go back here, and I will paste it here. And here you need to add your bio. You need to say something about yourself. Now I already prepared that. So I will simply Control C and I can say something like this, and then click here on continue. Publication name, I will simply choose exactly the same name, so I can just close this and I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste my name here. Okay, and here what is it about? I will simply copy again this, and I will simply say something like this. And it needs to be shorter, so I will simply delete something to make it shorter. Okay, something like this. Okay, and now just click here on continue, and you will continue. And here you can click on skip, and also click here on skip, and here you can choose one of the interests. So I will just choose any of these. Let's say, for example, business, health and wellness, art, illustration, and then click here on continue. And here I can also click on skip for now. And let's do this. And now you actually need to write your article. So what you need to do, you need to click here on upper right corner on new post, and you need to publish a new post. Now, if you can write this post by yourself, great. If you can't, then you can go on Fiverr and pay someone to write to that article, or you can go on iWriter and pay someone to write to that article. Or you can simply go on Google, and here in search bar, you can simply type something like tea for weight loss in this case, and then press search, and here you can find 6 best teas to lose weight and belly fat, 5 types of tea that may help you with weight loss, and so on and so on. And you need to rewrite one of these articles. Now you can use one of those spin bots and Grammarly to rewrite these articles and correct all the grammar errors. And you need to then come here and you need to publish your article. Now I already prepared one article, so I will just, this is the title of my article, okay? Control C, and I can paste my title here, okay? And here I need to add subtitles, so I will simply copy this first line. So just copy this, Control C, and I will add my first line. And now I need to add the rest of my article, so I will just simply, copy this all, okay, Control C, and I will paste that here, okay? And now I actually need to add a link, but you cannot add affiliate links. Now that is really, really important, but you can add link to your bridge page. So I need to go back here. I need to copy my link to my bridge page. And let's say I wish to add my bridge page here to English breakfast tea. I need to highlight this and then click here on this little chain, and I will paste my link here. So let me just click here on link, and that's it. I added a link to my bridge page. So now when someone click on this link, it will come to my bridge page, and here they can submit their email and they will be added to my email list, and also they will be automatically redirected to the sales page. And if they buy this product, I can earn up to $116 affiliate commission, as you can see here. So after you finish everything, all you have to do is just here in upper right corner, click here on publish, and here you need to choose everyone. And this is really important. Here you can see delivery. This basically means that they will actually send an email to all of your subscribers, which means you can get a guaranteed traffic, guaranteed readers of your article. And like I said, you can earn affiliate commission by promoting your affiliate products, and also you can earn a monthly fee from your subscribers. You can charge $5, $6, $7, $10, $15 per subscriber, and if you get 50, 100 subscribers, for example, and you charge $7 per subscriber, that is $700 guaranteed every month from this website. It is that simple, it is that easy. And all you have to do now is just click here, send to everyone, and that's it. You will publish your article on this website. And the name of this website is Substack, as you can see here. Now, after you create your profile on Substack and after you start publishing articles on this website, what you need to do, you actually need to start promoting your profile on all of the social media, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, in related Facebook groups, on Pinterest. You need to go on related forums, go on related blogs, and so on, and start promoting your Substack profile. Because as you saw, you can make money from your subscribers. The more subscribers you get, the more money you can make. For example, let's just say you can charge, for example, $10 per month per subscriber, and you get just 100 subscribers. That is $840 every month just from your subscribers. And that is why you need to start promoting this profile, your Substack profile, everywhere you can, in order to get as much as you can subscribers, because you can make money just from your subscribers. Plus you can make money from affiliate products, and you can double your earnings. So this is how you make money from tea and affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.